This video is sponsored by Capital Lighting. Many of us are trying to get our homes back to normal after the holidays, and today I'm going to be sharing my winter white home decor and how you can make simple changes that will transition into the spring. I'm also going to be sharing the showstopper of a chandelier from Capital Lighting. It's by Crystalrama. It's the same brand of lighting that transformed my kitchen lighting over our kitchen island and our chandelier that's over our kitchen table. I want to give you a little bit of the background of Capital Lighting. They are a fourth generation family owned lighting company that have a wide selection of products. They are definitely experts in this field, you guys, not to mention their customer service is amazing. Let me take you through my process of how the install went. Our family room is where we spend a lot of time and entertain and watch TV. But there was one thing in this room that was lacking, and it was the lighting in the evening. For years we had this ceiling fan, and it was the central source of our overhead lighting, but it wasn't giving us adequate lighting. The sofa table lamps, it helped some, but it was still a little bit of a struggle. Now we have modern that meets elegance with this central masterpiece. This is the Calypso Chandelier by Crystalrama that's not only making a statement in the space, but it has certainly given us the lighting that radiates the light in all directions. As you can see, everything came neatly packaged, and I'm carefully unboxing everything to prepare the chandelier for the installers. Now the hubster and I are putting on the crystals. We had a total of 466 crystal clear smooth glass balls and teardrops to put on, but it was totally worth it. The Calypso chandelier comes in two other sizes and finishes. Mine is the 40-inch in polished chrome, and it has 8 lights on it. A chandelier this size, I highly recommend that you hire a professional for the job because it weighs about 100 pounds, and they had to install a 2x2 in the ceiling to support the weight of the chandelier. We are so happy for our new lighting. In the evening, the entire room just lights up, and I really wanted something that will radiate the light, and I felt this option was better over recessed down lights. And if you're planning to update your room light fixtures, be very mindful of the proportion to the size of your room, you guys. If the room and the ceilings are large, you will need a larger fixture. If the room is too small and the entire fixture is too big, the space will look and feel cramped. So do your homework before deciding. An inexpensive way to refresh your decorative accents is to add some flowers and succulents, real or faux. I had a few bunches of cream-colored flowers in my stash, and I added them into a vase I already had and placed a few ingredient bowls in a glass tray for some sweet treats. Over on my mantle, I added a few vases, flanking the TV to soften up the corners. Inside the vase, I added my all-time favorite flower, peonies, inside them. These flowers are faux, and I love how they resemble the real thing. This is how it came from shipping. It's tied tight with a zip tie, but to give your flowers that fuller look, just use a blow dryer on cool air or wrinkle releaser, and it will make the flowers fuller. It looks like they were plucked fresh from the garden. Over on our recliners, I added a few more macrame pillows. Again, just keeping everything clean and winter white and bright. This look and style will certainly carry you over to the spring and even summer. There's one addition that I did add, and that was more seating. This bench was 50% off, and it's from At Home Stores, and I got an additional 15% off with a coupon that I got in the home mailer. The regular price was $200. Total win, you guys. And now I'd like to give Capital Lighting and Crystalrama a sincere thank you for making our home once again even more beautiful with their wonderful lighting. I will provide a link to Capital Lighting and this chandelier in my description box. And if you're not on my Instagram, I would love to have you. Just click the link in my description box and put your email address where it says sign up and click the blue follow button. It's that easy, so you don't miss out what I'm up to on the daily.